Yep.
All middle schoolers to their corners, please.
Much.
Girls on that side, boys on this side.
Something like that.
It's pretty much just Patreon.
Someone was saying jobs report tomorrow morning. What's that about?
Did it? It's not usually not on. It's usually on Fridays. Maybe the ADP report.
Yeah, the ADP reports were on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Those missed big.
NFP, non-farm payrolls, and like unemployment claims, I think.
Yeah, if you look at the chart,
ADP is not to be trusted anymore. I don't know. They're off so bad.
Is that
The ADP reports have been off so bad from the jobs report. It used to be such a big. Most everyone was using. Now you have Iridium. There's a lot of different payment solutions. Square, which I had Square the other day. What? I had earnings today, I believe. Yeah, earnings earlier this week.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Sorry, I muted myself. We're good. I'm muted now. I'm glad literally one person in the chat noticed. Thanks. Chef Rojo, which is Chef Red. We're about to get turned up. I mean, that's not up to me, I guess. I owe a chug. So, I mean, I have alcohol. You know what I'm saying? Bitcoin's fine. Can't believe anyone would be scared about what just happened. 48,127 was back tested as a support for the first time, like ever, for real. Here it is, the high back from January 14th. Not to be omitted, not to be ignored, because it exists. It's there. It's a peak. Have you ever in history made it? Has it been a support ever? Literally never. And this could be the first time ever, though it may fail. Whatever. Whatever, but like that's happening right now. That's the why Bitcoin sold off. Market participants need confirmation, even if it's gonna confirm and go to $1 million, or if it's gonna test it and then not hold and then dump. That's it testing it. It just fails to test, you know, sometimes. So, no, nothing to worry about. Looking okay, man, to me, for now. Heck, man, Litecoin's up 1%. What are y'all doing?
Scanning chart.
Volume coming in.
I'd have been doing that
Watching
literally.
Ethereum burn.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we can watch Ethereum burn together, mate. It's burning. Is this accurate?
3,500 burnt already.
2,200?
No, 3,500.
Yeah, I'm having to update or refresh it. It's weird. Retrieving latest blocks on mainnet. Oh, it's so pretty, dude. Look at it burning like that. So cute.
Sherwin Williams is at all-time high.
Yeah, dude. Pay me to create paint, dude. Sure. Whoa, what do I hear? What's up, Coiner, dude? Get me primed up. It's like First time I spoke with Scott. Primed up, dude. We was vibing. Thanks, Coiner, for getting it kicked off, I guess, right? I mean, that's... We'll see how much of a kickoff it was, right? Mine's not loading. Mine's not... Like, watchtheburn.com's, like, broken for me.
Yeah, there's another one. I'll link you. Hold on.
But I like this one.
That one's getting DDoS attacked.
Huh. Wow, dude. Get wrecked, everybody.
Why would somebody want to DDoS that? What's the point?
Yeah, I don't know, dude.
Just all the
Ultrasound.money.
degens loading it up. It's just getting spammed by people wanting to watch. So.
Yeah, here we go. That's cool, dude. 3505 ATH. But dang, dude. So it's like 33% of what was burned maybe 3 or 4 hours ago. Or I guess it's like it's increased its burnage by 33% because it was at like 2200 maybe like during the day stream, which is only a few hours ago. Wow. Burn it, baby. Does it update in real time or you have to refresh? Oh, okay. I guess you have to refresh.
I'll find another one. Let's have a look.
That's roughly $9 million.
Nice. Yeah, man, I don't know, dude. I'm kind of like... I don't know, man. I'm kind of like a little out of it since did like a 3-hour stream today, and then before that I was like looking at charts all day. I'm kind of just like I haven't had much of an escape from like the computer screen today, so I ate dinner and then I came back and I'm just like trying to, you know, wind down a little bit. Yeah, I just recently moved about 6 weeks ago or so. Yes. Huge life change.
Hey, are you having issues with your stream elements? I just sent you a spin, but about 5 minutes ago when it hadn't come through.
No. Is that UB Marts?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, dude. I'm not having issues. It's because of my input. I can't.
Gotcha.
Jesus, and there it was, dude. Dang, dude, my eardrum's like freaking out, like twitching. Like, you remember their eardrum twitch before? That was weird. Okay, that's a chug, dude. Nice. Nice. I guess technically the first one was for you, and then Coiner technically got the chug. I don't know.
So did you see it come through on your end?
Yeah, it's there. I see it. It's just like I didn't hear it, and I won't be able to hear TTS. Y'all might be able to hear it on the other side.
No, I didn't even hear it on my end.
Huh. It might not be. You'll see it. It's just not going to be auditory, I guess. And I've had this problem every single time I do a Patreon stream. I don't know how to change the, let's go, B-dubs. Let's go! Dude, look at that hex emoji ball. It's beautiful. It's friggin' beautiful.
It's the best looking emoji ball.
Yeah, kind of, maybe. I kind of like the Super Saiyan Bitcoin ball. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna get one of the two out of the way now. Dang, man,
You don't need to pull up the chart. Remember when you pinged me on Props, the 38250?
Yeah, the
Roku
3820.
Yeah, it said hold my beer. What? I mean, still within the range of a shark. And then came down and
my
just
God.
hit the 50%.
Devastated.
Look at the 50% though.
Yeah, touched it like a Jesus. Wow. It's gonna fill a gap. I don't know though, man. That's bad. I wonder, like, Yeah, it's like off limits. I can't believe that's so crazy.
It got bought heavy.
I'm so done with earnings season. It's
Yeah.
such AIDS this quarter.
I'm
It's
short
super
360
AIDS.
puts. So
Yeah. Oh, then it's like earnings is AIDS every day, but then like S&P 500 all-time highs every day. Like what? I was just like, okay, hold on, I have to pour.
the breadth of the market is horrible, but it's like
It's like complacency.
financials can carry it for a while.
Yep, financials are getting ready to roll with solar. And tech's been killing it. Hold on a sec.
Is the afterburn perpetual or is there a target?
Okay, that's definitely 5 ounces. It's probably more than 5 ounces. I don't have Ninja Girl to attest. Jesus, that's way too much. It's way more than 5 ounces.
No, dude, you're good.
Definitely not good. Freaking B-dubs, man. Coming in with the 6s, the hexes. Unbeatable. It's been unbeatable. Find me an asset outperforming hex in the past freaking year. You won't find it. It's a joke.
I'm so tired of hearing about it because I can't buy it.
Oh, so much air. Carbonation. $40,600 on Bitcoin. We're talking $600 off its lows of the new day. What a bounce. I agree. Yeah, dude. Let's murder crypto in a sentence or a paragraph in an infrastructure bill. Okay, like literal R words in government. Literal R words. I mean, it's just ridiculous. It's like, really, dude? Cheers. That's a nice looking glass right there, aquaponics, man. It's a dirty colored water, though, right? Hold on, let me pour another alcoholic beverage. Hold on.
Hey, Kroger looks pretty interesting on the weekly.
Whoa. You'd say Grubhub?
Kroger.
Yeah, Kroger was interesting when it back tested the old resistance as support, and then yeah, dude. Yep. If you notice, I pinged y'all. I pinged everyone on Kroger. The date was... Maybe I didn't ping you. 6/21, June 21st. Type in Kroger in the search tab, and you'll see it. It's right there. Look, Kroger looking for a run to all-time highs. And here we are. Like, what, 6 weeks later? All-time highs. It's not loading. It's just so, it's like, duh. Hey, we're like the government, dude. Let's just load like that. Okay. AIDS, dude. Jesus.
Look at it on the weekly.
Yeah, here it is. It was like, yeah, man, it back tested the old resistance as support, and there was nothing left. It's like, you're gonna go to all-time highs, and now it's at all-time highs. And yeah, you said weekly. Oh, it was so beautiful, man. God, it was so nice. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I mean, if it breaks 42.67, easy to target. High to low. Yeah, 49.06, first target. 1272 Viv extension, man, up there. Yeah, beautiful. Kroger doing well. Robert, what are you talking about, dude? You obviously don't check the pings if you said something like that, right? You're not in the Discord, I guess, Robert, are you? Please go check trade setups. But I thought you should be allocated with your capital in K and C, right? No kappas? Okay, looks great, man.
Start talking about Kraft Heinz.
Devastated. Devastated. No, it was so close, though. It almost made it to the measure move.
A hell of a run.
Yeah, it was fantastic. And now it's done, dude. Yeah. Can't even. It's below the 200-week moving average. So trash, dude. But yeah, it was.
Surprised. We'll see what. When the
Charizard
piling out, I wouldn't be surprised if Berkshire.
Oh wow! Look at that.
Their ownership.
What did it get to? It just went to a 200% retrace. In reverse. Just devastated. Look at that. Almost made it, man. It was so close, but I guess a bearish trend. You have a bullish asset. It almost made it. Nope. Sorry. Get wrecked. Pathetic, man. Coming to back test, though. What was old resistance could be support soon. Good luck.
I mean, generally the first time you test that type, get near that type of gap down, like an exhaustion gap, you're gonna get this one before you hit it.
Yeah, man.
It's a pretty hard sell-off, though.
It's terrible. It's devastating. It's like from its high to now, 18% in 65 days. What a bleed out, man. Just hemorrhaging. It never even filled the gap. Pathetic. That's what's so like, wow, you figured, why would you not fill the gap? Too pathetic. Yeah, Charizard, dude. GRT. Find out what it means to me. Spin to... Do we do request and spins? Broken out? I don't know. We looked at it. It looks good. It looks good, friendo. GRT is a position trade. GRT is like one would buy the asset and hold it for a month to 6 weeks and get back to me. Call me in 6 weeks. I'm Dr. Ray. Okay, Capo. Kidding. I'm not a doctor nor a financial advisor. I just felt like streaming. You know, that's it, dude. What do you want on GRT? Dead horse. Devastated. We devastated the dead horse again on GRT.
That's AB equals CD reciprocal stuff plays out. Played out pretty well in Kraft Heinz. It's nuts a lot of the times. Have you?
ABCDs?
That's pretty heavy. AB equals CDs, yeah. I'll use the
Not
tool,
so much.
A lot of times I'll just use a line and then see if it kind of keeps the same slope and takes the same amount of time. So 50% Kraft Heinz had a 48% retrace, and so 50% retrace is the AB equals CD is to 2, and you get stopped out at 224. It went to 2059 or getting dumped on.
Well, I don't think there's any kind of ABCD on GRT right here.
GRT looks good. I mean, break and hold, nice double bottom.
Yeah, man, this is it. This is like
right
just low risk. Yep. 150 target, maybe even $2. And that's like not even talking about Casey Stubbs. Casey Stubbs would be like, all-time highs, man.
Yeah, all-time high. Let's go.
We don't have to be that crazy. Chinese Communist Party Pooper. What's up, dude?
I love that name.
That's right, dude. That's right, dude. Thank you, Chinese Communist Party Pooper, man. Thanks so much, man. Pictures of bed. That's about 5 ounces. Might as well just get it over with and owe nothing and win. We're doing technical analysis on charts. Yes. Yes, I need to get my chat pulled up. I'm sure I'm missing such high quality conversations in the chat, so. Yes, sir. It all depends on, you know, if, I don't know, man, everything that you don't, like, you've never seen before can look difficult or weird or foreign. When you start learning about it, it starts becoming really cool. And that starts driving your passion. And then it just starts snowballing. Like, I didn't, like, when I started doing this 10 years ago, going on 11 now, I mean, I didn't know anything, and it was just fun. There were just aspects of it that really just stuck with me. And it was all she wrote. But I'm sure it's been the same thing for everyone on their journey. Everyone, man. So loaded, man. Oh, I'm doing that right now, but I'll spend 2. We'll see what happens. Yeah, really, like, learning music's not easy.
Testing. Am I coming in?
Yes.
Awesome.
Ugh.
My 100-foot USB cable has died.
You think about that Las Vegas Sands? It's coming back down to the critical support.
I like it.
Yeah, it broke a critical support.
Yeah.
Devastated, man. Someone was asking about it up here, and it's like, if it can hold, maybe, but it couldn't hold. Coronavirus news
Talked
broke.
about it here last week. I'm like, this is. I'm happy to buy and lose, but that's more of a position trade for me.
You don't think you've ever had a streamer respond to you from the chat? You're literally gonna subscribe now? Thanks, dude. You'll be the first sub I've had in 10 years, or 84 years. Thank you, dude. Hold on, let me pour this alcoholic beverage. Pogs in the chat. We got a new sub. Don't scare him off. Chat, don't do anything weird. New subs are like deer. They're very skittish. Anyway, man, this is the nonchalant evening stream, so...
I was just thinking about shining a light in the new subscribers' eyes so they just freeze for a bit. No.
Yeah, dude, it's literally that. Like, you do something weird to a new sub, they are deer and in the headlights. Yeah, and they're... What do I do with my hands? What do I do with my hands? Bullish Cypher, I guess, on Las Vegas Sands coming up. What's up, Dollar Bill? Hey, it's Dollar Bill, probes. What is going on? Don't be Google moderating teams, deleting things. What did they even say? Wait, it should say it on the thing. What did Tenpence say? They do have a Discord. That was deleted by the moderator team. Shamalam said, and he's asking about the Discord. Whoa, Discord's anything saying Discord's getting deleted by the Google moderator team. That's so weird.
I was seeing it earlier when they said Patreon.
Oh, all the competitors or somewhat. I don't know.
Yeah, who bought Discord?
Weird, dude. Who bought Discord? No one bought Discord. They decided to stay private. Microsoft tried to buy them for billions of dollars, and they said no. No, you will not buy us. Thank God, dude. Don't need another giant woke tech company buying out another good working asset. Jesus.
Yeah, here they go. It's getting deleted.
That's so weird. Dude, that's psychotic.
I remember they did that in the past and then stopped doing it when they had a huge backlash from creators, and now I guess they're doing it again.
Unreal.
Type in Patreon and see if it's getting that too.
Look at that, dude.
It won't work for a bot.
Probably got bought out by YouTube.
Nah, no one's bought Discord yet. They're private.
I know, I'm just saying by the behavior it's doing now.
Microsoft's in talks with them. Wouldn't be surprised, but it's the antitrust stuff that's holding it up.
Hey Charles, what's up, dude? Overstock on the daily, huh? You wanna do request, man? You wanna do request? Okay.
I remember for a while I was actually deleting my posts, even though I'm a private man.
There's Overstock, the remnants of an old, nice falling wedge that played out, the 50% to 618 for reasons, and it's done nothing ever since. Great stuff, man. Tier respected, and nothing else. So,
Just shark-ish.
ah, that's what it is. Sharkish, yeah, a little bit-ish.
I don't like it, but
I'm not really into it. I don't like this high, lower high, lower high. I don't like the clear distribution going on for like a year now. I mean, I like the higher lows. It's like a lot of price contraction. Look, it broke a demand line. It broke the demand line. It couldn't hold above the old high from 2018, nor the high from 2004. It's below it. Anything above 77.24, all right, let's talk. We're below it, and we're making lower highs above it. I just don't like no. Like, better assets out there, you know?
yeah.
You
I
know,
think there's quite a few that came on everyone's radar because of COVID.
dude, think about this
They
eventually.
get a little bit of bounces, but I don't know. Overstock's ever gonna have a place in this. Wayfair crushed in earnings today, but
Think about that. Wait for like $38. $30, excuse me. Jeez. Wait for $30 dollar bill. Dude, my like eardrum is twitching and I don't know why. It's never done this before. This is so weird. Dealer.
yeah, that is that's probably eardrum irritation.
I don't know, dude. I took up my headphones. It stops when I take my... I don't know, dude. I'm a little weirded out right now. I would, if we're gonna do anything, why don't we just wait? You know, wait till $30 or at least $35. God, some sort of support resistance from history all the way back to 2004, 2007, 2013, 2018. Why not 2021 again? Wait. Okay.
Have it actually backtest 39 even.
Is there an echo in here? There is an echo in here, unfortunately.
happening to me with the eardrum.
Is anyone else experiencing the eardrum bug? We need to call up
Yeah.
eardrum support.
I've
There's
had
a
that.
bug. They need to patch it instantly, immediately.
My right ear like vibrates randomly.
Now mine's just like
Yeah.
womp, womp,
Womp
womp.
womp.
It's womp womping, but it's like I don't know. It's hard to explain.
Talk to you, thank you.
This is effed. Did I spin? Okay, everyone good? I gulped. That's okay. If you missed the Patreon stream, you won't be able to see it again. Anyway, I'm kidding. But I'm not actually, so it's all good. Okay, we'll go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, your favorite asset that's ever existed on the planet of Earth, is backtesting an old January 14th high as a support for the first time in history of mankind, right? We've been cave people, we've been monkeys, we've been many things, and we've never, in all that time, even cave people, we've never, in that time, as cave people, monkeys, or fish people, right? We've never backtested 40,127, so I think it's pretty historic, right? If you think about it like that, think about during the Napoleonic era, right? Bitcoin didn't exist. It wasn't backtesting this area as support, but now it is. We're living more important times than Napoleon. Holy crap, dude. That's...
Is that a joint?
I don't know, sir.
Think you know what I'm talking about or what I'm talking about? What's up, bro, dude? It's not effed. It is effed, dude. It is. It is a big pronoun though too, so just a gulp. Okay. I owe no chugs, by the way. Look at this. Some random name. AASDAA asking how much money I have. Nigerian scammer. Why would I ever tell you how much money I have? Wow, dude. You should come up with a more, I don't know, trustworthy name before you try to ask someone's net worth, okay? Yeah, $5, a donkey, and a bag of rice. That's it, dude. Why would you never tell me? Why would I want you to know? Do you think you deserve to know how much money I have? Random Nigerian name. It's like he literally was just like, all right, what's your username gonna be? That's what he did. He just like put his hands on this keyboard and just typed in stuff. How much for the donkey? 50 Nokias, dude, or something. Well, who's sensitive? I'm literally asking why you think that's like something that... Wow, dude. That's like, what's the square footage of your place? That's like literal social etiquette. Inverse social etiquette. You know what I'm saying?
Almost like it's not part of anybody's business or something.
Yeah, but I'm a live streamer, so you're supposed to be able to know everything about me, including my net worth, square footage of my properties, my social security number, right? What are you being sensitive about not telling me your social security number, dude? And before I get gaslit.
Too. It's like you just don't.
No, seriously, and before I get gaslit, it's not a big deal, dude. Telling people your net worth is not a big deal, dude. That's gaslighting, because it is actually a big deal. Hey, totals above the 200-day moving average. I like totals. Totals, man. Totals, dude. Thread count on my bed sheets. I don't know, dude. I'd have to talk to my bed sheet thread accountant. They normally do the numbers for me on the yearly, you know, because I normally get audited by the quilt threading agency, you know, one of the many alphabet names of the government. But I don't know. I'll get back with you, okay? I'll get back with you on thread quilt count or whatever you said. Shoe size count, hair count, outlets in my place. Many good questions, right? Do I have a TikTok? I'll answer that one. No, never will I give the Chinese Communist Party data for them to use against the West in infiltrating and subverting it. No. Never. TikTok chat. Never. If you care about Western values, you just say no. Nah, dude. I don't know what type of wood my desk is made out of. That's a great question, dude. It's really nice, though. I love it. I need to ask my guy. It's beautiful, man. Like, dude, it's so right. If you're ever gonna do it right, dude, get a custom desk built by a person that's local. I don't know if it's mahogany, man.
The way wood prices were, it's almost like you invested in a desk.
But it seems as though it's all back to normal, dude.
Yeah, wood's getting crushed.
I bought this desk, got it created before the bubble popped, and I still own it after the bubble popped, and I don't care. Either way, I'll never sell this desk. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I'm gonna hold on to my desk forever.
Yeah, dude, I'm hold. HODL, HODL my desk, man.
You wanna know what's crazy? Is here where I live, I don't know if it's this way everywhere, but home builders are still giving quotes based off of May lumber prices.
Yeah, because the derivatives market is not indicative of like the real spot price of wood. So yeah, so like it's not like lumber crashed right on the derivatives chart, but not at stores. It's still extremely high. So
how far does it usually lag?
I mean, there's a lot. What is there, probes? And it's like what, like a couple months?
About 6 months.
Oh, 6 months. Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
There you go, dude. Because I think oil is like 2 months. Energy.
Oil's about 3 because you're trading the front contract ahead. So if
Okay.
you're trading the August contract, it's technically the September contract.
Okay, so 3 months. Joanne, thank you for watching, and I'm glad you're getting value out of the streams. It's fantastic. And I'm glad you're not asking me about... Yes, there are baby coins. They're scams. They're literal scams. If you ever hear anything called baby something, and it's a crypto, if you ever put your money into it, just might as well tip it to me. Okay, if you're gonna like try to buy baby Dogecoin or baby Asian Dogecoin, literally that's the name of it, or baby XRP, just give me your money. Don't give it to them. You won't make any. You'll lose it all. So you might as well just tip it here, so we can increase the production and the quality of the stream. Like whatever, just don't do it, dude. I would prefer you don't do it at all. But if you're gonna think about doing it and you're gonna do it, just tip the stream, dude. Unbelievable. At least it's gonna affect your life here probably, because you're gonna be like, I'll watch the stream, and the stream's better now. You know what I'm saying? Good God. Don't do it ever. But dude, it went up 4,000% in 10 seconds and then crashed 8,000%. How does that even happen? Exactly. Exactly, dude. Dude, it's so wild, man. That's a whole new world of scamming. Like, that's the new, like, it's like Binance Smart Chain, PooCoin. It's the new world. It's the new Vegas Vacation, pick a number between 1 and 10 exchange. We all thought, like, Binance was that on some random S coins. Nah, dude. There's now literally an entire exchange where everything is pick a number between 1 and 10. Every single thing that exists on that exchange is that. That's how bad it's gotten. Good God.
I noticed a lot of the interest rates that were on Binance, like for the lock savings and stuff like that, those are all down like to like 1 or 2% now.
Yeah, dude, because they
6 or 8.
Yeah, the whole point was, oh yeah, 50% APY or whatever, 1,000% APY. That is not real. That could never last or sustain, and it just drops.
Stuff is crazy.
It's all a lie to get you to buy. The lie to get you to buy.
I meant more on the stable coins, the 6-8% on like USDT.
Yeah. Do I hold XRP? I'll always hold some XRP in my heart, in my wallet, because I don't even know how to get it out of there. To be real, out of the XRP tip bot. You remember that, dude? The XRP tip bot? Yeah, I still own it all. I didn't touch any of it. I don't know how to get it out. I'm sure I could get it out if I cared, but I just like, whatever. Maybe it does. Maybe Alex Cobb's right. He's a genius, and it goes to $500. I win, right? You know, I don't care. Like, it's just Flare airdrop win. Yeah, really.
I got an email from that guy like 3 or 4 months ago trying to offload some GPUs.
Yeah. Alex Cobb's trying to offload GPUs to you, dude. Hey, man, people. I'm sure probably people impersonate him too, so just be careful. You know.
Was he mining XRP with those? What?
If he was, then it was definitely a scam because it's not a thing. Reed?
No, when I was watching, I popped into, like, I watched a little bit of him when I was first started getting into mining. He was doing a lot of Ethereum solo mining, which is like, you're trying at a chance to get one whole block to yourself.
Okay. A block to yourself.
It was like, at the time was like Ethereum and a half if you managed to get one, but you you have to get the block. First, you need the equation for the block, and then you need to successfully get the block before everybody else gets it. Very low. I don't know what the percentage chance is, but it's
Yeah, and that's always the way mining's been proof of work, right? Or you gotta have the fastest PC. That's when the ASICs came out, and mining pools and all that stuff, right?
Yeah, that's exactly why you go with the mining pools, because you get you know, a set amount of, not a set amount of rewards, but you're rewarded the right amount type thing to what you worked.
Yeah. I don't know, but like, you know, people talk about XRP. It's like, you know, right now, technically, it's actually in a really good spot. Like, you know how I'm gonna be, dude. Like, I'm gonna hate XRP if it looks like crap. I'm gonna like XRP if it looks good on the chart. Like, that's just the way I've always been. You know what happens? The XRP Moon Boys will come in. They used to love me because I think it was like they were finding me because Alex Cobb. It was like XRP was setting up bullishly. And he like shouted me out, and they loved me, but then they realized like when tops were coming in and we were showing bearish divergence and not looking good, and it was dumping lower highs, lower lows. They're like, this guy doesn't care about XRP, screw this guy, and they're out of here, you know. So,
Mitch, why do you hate it?
Why do you hate it? Yeah, how many times I say you hate XRP? It's like, dude, it just technically looks like crap right now. I'm just
all S coins.
It's funny though. Hex
I
people.
was gonna say every S coin is probably the same thing.
Yeah, Hex people are a lot more reasonable, I feel like, than XRP people's. They have been anyway. They've been a lot more cordial and less volatile and vitriolic and a little bit nicer, I guess. Hex people.
That could hopefully be taken as a symbol of the whole, the crypto market as a whole too, because things like back then when XRP and stuff, Alex Cobb back in those days, things were, I feel like, a little different.
Yeah, way more.
Zoom boys everywhere.
Kids and grandkids of the same people that were like, oh, this Michael Milken guy gives good returns.
The milkman?
Cash to throw it away. Well, Michael Milken like built Vegas junk bonds. I don't know, he's probably too early for you.
Interesting.
Now
You
they-
built
now they
Vegas
just-
on junk
yeah.
bonds?
Yeah, Vegas was built on junk bonds. Like
And the
casino.
mob, right?
Mob built it before that, but I mean, the mob got ushered out in the late 80s.
Union.
Maybe even earlier than
Yeah.
that.
I learned all this
Yeah.
from Casino, of course.
Yeah, all these big
The movie, you know.
companies. Yeah.
What is the world's leading cause of dry skin? Go ahead, everyone, and Google. Wait, you know what? If you try to Google it, it might get deleted by the Google moderator team.
Cigarettes.
Cigarette? What is it, Arabian Plug? FIS is testing highs. Oh my god, it's FIS.
Salt water.
Salt water. Look at FIS, it's bombing, dude. Look at that old inflection point. We stopped looking at this a long time ago, and it's at it, dude. It's up 20%.
Crap.
He says towels. Let's go.
Is that a joint?
You probably can't because stockholders, right?
I mean, it's legal, right? Totally legal. Da-da-da-da-da.
Smoke weed every day.
Hold on, dude. Yes, everyone knows, dude, about the Hex scam. Somebody hacks Hex, and they got your contact info, and they're trying to get you to do something. So don't do it. I guess I'm not high enough. What'd you say?
After I talked about him, after you had him on the stream, I got like hammered with DMs. I'm like, whoa. Like, do you guys even know this dude's real name?
What, Richard Hart's name?
Yeah. It's not him.
It's not his real name, I'm sure.
No.
It's like Robert California. What's his real name? What's Richard Hart's real name? Probes, do you know
Hart
it?
Richard.
Yeah. Hold on. Nah, I'm kidding. Leave me alone.
Mackie, is Jamie coming to Birmingham? Because if he is, I certainly will. I might live stream it. Dang, man. Do an IRL, my first real, well, I don't know. I've done an IRL stream in Birmingham, the 10K Viking. But I'm talking about like downtown Birmingham. Dude, don't mess with me. Jamie Josta, he needs to hit me up. He's an annual patron, dude.
Richard J. Schuler.
Richard Jace Schuler, chat.
Schuler.
Mr. Schuler! It's Mr. Schuler from Breaking Bad.
He's had
Mr. Schuler?
in his background.
I always joke about it because the German lady in Breaking Bad would always be like, Mr. Schuler? Yeah, it's like the German Bueller. Yeah, for real. Richard Bueller. Okay, he's been doxxed. Cap up. Whatever, man.
Well, if it was that easy to find, come on.
Yeah, it's not doxing, exactly. It's public knowledge.
I'm
exactly.
on Google. I'm not going into any like.
Yeah, that's literally like not doxing. If everything is public info, that's not. That's like he's a public figure anyway, dude. Like,
yeah.
Remember that time someone came in and spammed my address, phone number, social security number, and everything, right? Remember they're trying to ransomware me? Like, dude, like it's out there, man. You know, like you want to F somebody, go ahead.
That's a dangerous place. Yeah.
Furnace Fest at Sloss, Mackie. When is that?
It's very important to protect your personal information as much as you can.
Yeah, dude, it's impossible if you're heck, even if you're Jeff, if you're Probst, it's impossible, I think.
Spend 10, 15 years on the
Thanks,
internet,
Steve.
they have everything
I mean,
you need.
I put my own name in there, but
Ben Collins says Richard J. Schuler investigated by authorities in Panama for theft and extortion. I don't know if I believe that.
yeah.
What do you mean, yeah?
Yeah.
Like literally he got arrested for that? That's him?
No.
God!
Connected to organized crime down there.
Well, okay, well then maybe I definitely don't want to mess with him or anything to do with him and go Hex because higher lows, yeah. Until they're not. And I don't want to get killed once Hex stops making higher lows, okay? Okay, Mr. Schuler.
Probst, are you a walking encyclopedia?
He's a Pokedex for humans.
He
so.
sure is, man.
Now he knows, dude, he was in law enforcement. I mean, like, am I even allowed to say that, Probst?
Yeah.
Why is that?
He was in law, well, I mean, he was in law enforcement, did it for a while, and knows people. So, and my ear keeps making the, I don't know, dude, there's a bug.
The wizard on the charts, too.
What's his net worth?
1050 billion. It's beyond.
He got wrapped up in a sketch scenario where criminals paid off the police to run him out and stole all his stuff. That's crazy, man. What a life. What a life. I'm way too conservative to get caught up in something like that, you know? But hey, man, I'm not like buying Rolexes for my extremities, you know? So,
What if you bought a Rolex just for that stream?
I doubt it, dude. Dude has like over $1 million of Rolexes, and he did that long before he knew I existed. So, wow, dude, another chug. That's great, dude. It's fantastic. No, dude, hey, Mackie, man. You'll probably go to, when is it? You didn't even, I don't think you responded. You were supposed to tour with your friend's band opening for Hatebreed, but they canceled the tour to go with System of a Down. Wake up. Give up. That's crazy, though. The Schuler Twitch, is that what it is? Mr. Schuler! It's in September. When in September? Because I'm going to Vegas in September. And I'm going, oh no, what the? Hold on, it's going to be so close. I'm going to the Alabama-Miami game in September. I bought 50-yard line tickets today. And then right after that game, I'm going to Vegas. I think with Vet Moonboy.
Miami.
Alabama versus Miami in Atlanta, and then days later, I think I'm going to Vegas. Yes. So September 4th is the Alabama-Miami game in Atlanta, and then the 9th, which will be a Thursday, I'll be heading to Vegas. But then Sunday, we're gonna come to LA. Probst, are you in LA or in Texas right now?
In LA right now.
Are you thinking you're gonna be there in September?
I don't know.
Well, we might be going to the season opener, the Rams.
Okay.
We might be going to the game, so we could all meet up and tailgate or something.
Yeah.
My bro's got season tickets too.
Well, then you can come up and tailgate with us too, dude. It'd be fun. We'll make a evening of it. It'd be fun. It'd be a lot of cool stuff. But I don't know. It's like he just hit me up and started saying, you know, he felt bad about not being able to go to Miami and stuff. And he was like, dude, you know, it doesn't mean life ends. So, Ben Collins, Bama's going to lose to Ole Miss. You must not watch football, and you must not know what's going on with Ole Miss's program. Or you're just an Ole Miss homer, which is bad, dude. I mean, come on, dude. Really? Ole Miss is going to beat Bama this year, dude? Based on what? They're not cheating. So the only time they can win is when they cheat, or Bama's coming off probation, right? And they have to have Eli Manning, okay? You know, they got pretty much the death penalty, the closest thing to the death penalty, right, for what they did. That's how bad the cheating was in Ole Miss with Hugh Freeze. So, nah, they won't. And you know what? I'll quit streaming forever if Ole Miss beats Alabama this year, okay? Someone clip this. I'll quit streaming forever. It's not going to happen. It's like literally an impossibility. It can't happen. It won't happen. Anyway. Thank you for clipping it, because I need people to know. That's how certain I am. Go ahead, money line. Take it all on Bama. All right. It's not nonsense, Lucchese, because it's so certain. They shouldn't even play the game. They really shouldn't even play the game. They canceled so they could go on tour with Megadeth instead. So there's literally like no, it's not even System of a Down, dude.
I just heard Megadeth for the first time on the radio. I used to listen to him in high school. Popped them on the radio the other day.
Dude, every time I put my headphone in, it starts freaking my eardrum out. That's so weird. Oh,
what
Arabian
about
Blood. What happens?
It'll be interesting to see like the separation in college football, the haves and the have-nots.
Yeah.
You're gonna have this with NIL stuff. I mean, dude, you can be in college making 7 figures.
Yeah, including the Alabama quarterback who's never started a game in his life. He's already a millionaire. Like, what? That's going to be bad, dude. That's not going to be good for the sport. That's terrible. There are ways that both people can win. Like, I think, since you have an underdeveloped brain as a male until you're 24, like, your brain's still developing, I think, like, you can be 18, you can get as much money as you want, but it has to go into a trust. And you can get an allowance or something that's reasonable, but you can't have all that money. Nope. Not when you're 18. You're too stupid and too young. And yeah, I do know. We all were 18 at one point. You're too dumb. Like, you're not going to know what to do with it, and people are going to be surrounding themselves around you to try to take advantage of you. Sharks, right?
A slice of that pie.
Yeah, they're going to do it, and it's going to be incessant. You won't be able to study. You won't be able to do your grades. It's going to be bad, man. That will cloud everything. So maybe like you can have all of it, but it's locked up in a trust. And you have to wait until you're 21 or at least till you graduate. And if you don't graduate, then you have to wait till 24 when the male brain finishes developing. Then you can have all your money, right? And then stuck in an allowance until then, a certain amount. You're only allowed to take out $5K a month or something, right? It has to be reasonable where he can live and never have any issues, but at the same time, he can't be able to go out and buy a Lambo, right?
Save up your allowance, maybe buy a Lambo.
Well, Johnny Manziel accomplished something, Bulls out. He beat Alabama. He beat Alabama in Tuscaloosa. That's going to make someone go nuts, dude. Okay? It wasn't even about the money. Now you got people that aren't going to be accomplishing anything, that'll never beat Alabama, ever, and they'll get paid $1 million. Okay? That's the difference. It's very different.
Maybe all these 18-year-old millionaires will put all their money in Bitcoin.
If they're smart, that's a really good idea. I mean, just throw it in friggin' Bitcoin, and who cares? Because you'll make. I don't know, man. Like maybe it's not. It's probably
good to
it's
diversify.
yeah. Just do like the whole real estate, equities, commodities, cryptocurrencies.
Right. But we're
REITs.
talking about it. Right, but we're talking about an 18-year-old who just gets millions of dollars all of a sudden.
But if you're hoping it would pump the market, then I would doubt it.
Oh wow, Sana says 18-year-old cousin got 1.5 million as inheritance. You told him the same thing. 1 year later, you find out he's blowing 500K. Yeah, that happens too much. Kids are stupid. Like they're just dumb, dude. They don't know. They have no experience. They just don't know what they're doing. And yeah, I don't know, dude. Have Bitcoin, have cash, fine.
You have to know what to do with that kind of money. That's the thing. A lot of people don't. I think most people don't.
For some of them, I think it'll be beneficial as they won't blow their, you know what, on their rookie contract and really never see past that contract and be broke. But,
Yeah.
So they'll get some, but that's for the small percentage that are going to make it and get, you know, any kind of decent money or make an active roster. Dudes were showing up left and right with, you know, undrafted free agents and Escalades and stuff. I'm
Yeah, and that's a culture thing too, isn't it? Isn't that like the culture? It's like the
you have to have
keeping up with the Joneses, but on steroids in the NFL, right? Yeah, it's like you ain't. Who are you? Yeah.
The Escalade pickup truck, Escalades, Tahoes, and Denali's, and then you had some
Denali's,
BMWs, but that was popular back in the day. Yeah,
My boss just bought a Denali 3 months ago. Propane.
You know what these schools need to do?
Yukon on it.
What these schools need to do is hire a financial advisor on staff for these kids.
They've done it and they've been screwed.
Yeah, a lot of these financial advisors, I can imagine.
Sharks.
They're like vultures.
No, I mean like one for the team, not like an individual for each individual. You
Okay,
know what I mean?
go to this chug. I'm finishing this chug. 3 chugs, uneffing believable. 1 debt from Monday, and then 2 wheel spin chugs tonight. It's unreal odds. It's so stupid, dude. Like the jar isn't even. It's like halfway full. You understand how like 5% chance maybe on the chug, and you already had two chugs. That's so bad, dude.
Is bullish divergence on the chugs right now?
Sounds like hidden bearish divergence on the chugs.
Maybe, yeah.
Potential hidden bearish, yeah.
I don't know.
That was
man.
something I wish I spent more time on it than I dedicated to. But when I first started getting into charts, I mapped every divergence and I highlighted all their percentage gains and stuff, almost like how Bulkowski does his stuff, but he doesn't use the computer. I did it all by hand. Like, I'm kind of interested to see if you just traded every divergence that there was, what would that be?
Market conditions are so.
They've been so bullish, yeah, it would end up just being.
Yeah, like it's the same thing as like chart patterns or probably harmonics. So like and Scott Carney talks about it in his book, like I mean, so many harmonic patterns will present themselves in bearish conditions and they get violated. They get devastated. They show up, they rally by like 10, 20%, 23%, and then they crash again. It's just, if you're showing bullish divergence in a very bearish trend, it's gonna maybe play out but underperform and then just get devastated again. I mean, like, you know, when it played out, it just didn't perform. It just, you would want to like do what Bulkowski did, research the whatever you're trying to do, bullish divergence or hidden bullish divergence in bullish conditions and bearish conditions.
And so yeah, separate them.
Yeah, you have to partition them. Yeah, because they're going to perform. One's going to outperform really well. It's going to be amazing. And then one's going to be terrible. Like, not even, sometimes just going to keep standard divergence, triple divergence, quadruple divergence. It won't matter. Dumps again. It's so bad, right? So it just depends on market conditions, man.
That could be another separator too. It's like triple, quadruple.
Yeah, Patron's Rank, Lodic, how arrogant of you to think you know where it's going to land. Mod Strength, you were close.
Don't get so cocky.
You were close, Loaded Dude. But
At
mods
one of
must
the
drink,
rookie
Brad.
symposiums recently for the NFL, they were talking
Arrogance.
someone regarding finance. It was like if you invest your money in an index fund, like during my rookie year, which is the bottom of the dot-com bubble, but bottomed, like $100,000 is 720-ish with dividends for both for my year, and then like 610 from.
Dude, yeah, but it took so long for the NASDAQ to recover.
Yeah, I mean from 02 to 09, I mean you were basically break even outside of your dividends.
Yeah, a few years of kind of stagnation is what you mean at the beginning there.
Yeah, it did what GRT's doing, right? But like on a longer time scale, kind of. Okay, I
Very
just
interesting.
went through an entire bottle of this sparkling wine. Unbelievable. Popped it during the Patreon pregame, and here we are, dude. And then there was none.
Crushing it out right now.
Is alt season back?
Yes, I was at.
Kind of. I mean, by the looks of the charts, yes. Sauron is reappearing.
When I got my signing bonus.
What'd you do?
Nuts.
The game exists still, T-Bone. It's not over. I just have to go get more alcohol from downstairs.
I invested. Bought real estate.
Good. Hence why you're
I'd
so well off right
I'd
now.
lose some money too, but I had a
Well, we
certain
all
amount
lose
to
money,
pay
but
for
we
it.
normally make more than we lose, so we win.
Life's also about having some fun too.
Yes, it is. That's why I live where I live now. Yes.
Mitch, when you coming back to Miami?
Possibly October, November.
It's Miguel, by the way.
Hey, what's up, Miguel, dude?
Hey,
what's up, dude?
How you doing, man?
all right, brother. All right. Just, being here in Miami, taking care of stuff here. I've
Yeah,
been
you
watching
holding it
the
down,
stream every
dude?
single day. Yeah, waiting for the return of the Jedi Master himself.
You talking about Bitcoin breaking above 42K, right?
Yeah,
Are you talking about me
that
coming
makes
back
sense.
to Miami? Is that what you said?
Yeah, man, you're the Jedi Master. You gotta come back here.
Oh no, dude, I'm just standard random guy from Alabama. But yeah, I think maybe October, November. Scott was talking about he wants me to, well, he's thinking about doing some, and where's he at? I need to text him. See if we can get him
to
in.
be on here with us.
Yeah, I'm gonna text him real quick. Hold on.
Him and Nick, remember Nick Anucha that I presented to you over there? They're always talking about all these charts and stuff, so that's good.
That's
Yeah.
awesome. Kind of assimilated them.
All right, I just texted him. Well, he wants to do like maybe some sort of like seminar thing, like a technical analysis seminar, and I'm like, what would I do? And he's like, well, you just educate, just act like you're on stream and do a little bit of education in person. And I'm like, dude, I haven't done public speaking since college. Now, I did pass with flying colors advanced public speaking. I did public speaking and advanced public speaking. So, I mean, my professor was the coach of the debate team for Alabama. But, that doesn't mean that I'm going to be like ready to go for public speaking, dude.
I don't know too much about Carney, but I feel like that's him. I was reading his books and stuff. I feel like that's him kind of coming back to his roots, because that's how he got into technical, and that's how he came up with a lot of the harmonic stuff in the beginning. Was he was going to seminars and stuff, talking to people, and then it blew up kind of like, I don't want to relate it to crypto because this is a whole different time, but it blew up kind of like crypto. Their little group of dudes, and then him and a select few of dudes were like, hey, never mind, we're done with all, we're gonna leave the big group of people that this has become, do our own thing.
Yeah, it's a new age, new people, new young people, importantly. I don't know, man. Like, I don't know. Like, I'd do it. You know, why not? It's an excuse to go to Miami, where I had the best trip of my entire life down there, for sure, by far.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
And it's gonna be like October, November, which is prime college football season. But there's TVs down there, and I can. It'll be nice and warm.
Watch the games at Sugar on the little VIP area. You put a projector there and watch the
Oh
game.
my god! Well, I don't know. How could you have a projector at the VIP at Sugar, dude? That thing was not like. Where would it go?
Oh, they'll figure it out. They do it all the time.
I don't even care, man. I'm not gonna be thinking too much about college football in Miami. You know, like at a rooftop bar, dude, and be looking at the talent. And
Sebastian was asking me about you the other day. He's like, "When's Mitch coming back?" And I'm like,
tell him
nice
probably, hopefully October, November, whenever it is. I might be going to New Orleans for my birthday weekend with some friends. But I don't know. Like, they all have it's like a couples thing. They're all like a couple. I'm not gonna go down and be like an 11th wheel or some S. So it all depends. What's up, CPT? Thanks for the 50, bro. B Pro about to pump, he says. Is that true or is that fake news? It already pumped. What are you talking about, dude? But yeah, you're right. If it holds 9.8 tenths of 1 penny, it very well could pump to moon. It could go to 1.8 pennies, meaning it could double in value or almost double, whatever. 80% upside on B Pro if it holds the zone that's pictured on your screen that's gray. Excuse me. Here's your spin. Okay. Why me for mayor? Miami already has an awesome mayor that's all about making crypto, making Miami the crypto city of the world, which you don't need to change leadership. You're good, dude. You got it. You figured it out. What? Mitch Fergus, TA guy that does charts on stream, right? Let's just stay with that. That's probably good. Okay.
All right. Well, next time you come, you got to meet the mayor, so he knows who the real TA guy is.
I want to meet DeSantis, but I would absolutely meet the mayor. But dude, I'm nobody. These people are people. I'm just again, some guy from Alabama who streams charts, dude. It's whatever.
Every time I present you as a legend. Everybody's always excited.
I'm not though. I'm just literally not. I'm just
I'm not a hero. Never was. Never will be.
Not literally. I'm not a hero. It never was. And literally, I might one day. I might somehow there might be a fire next door and I have to go save somebody's life. I'm not saying I'll never be a hero, but it's kind of a grave injustice to call me a hero when there are so many people that have. And do every day, put their lives on the line to do things for humanity, and I don't do that, So that's what I'm saying.
Well, you're like a financial hero, You're kind of saving us from, getting wrecked.
Poverty.
Yeah.
You're the people's champ, man.
Well, yeah, that's if I can help you change your life, and I do and stuff.
Do you
then
smell what the TA is cooking?
Well, all I want to do, all I'm doing is going live and talking about the thing I love, right? That I fell in love with 10 years, 11 years ago. And that's it, man. I'm not doing anything beyond that.
Yeah, but it's you're calling from God, kind of. So it's helping people, and you don't realize how big of an impact.
It's definitely my calling, right? Because this is there's nothing else I've ever had a passion for as much as this, for sure. So he definitely made my brain wired this way where I cared about this stuff so much, to an obnoxious level that I'm just hanging out with people that also obnoxiously care about this stuff. So, but it's what am I obnoxious about? Being rich, making money, oh my God, I just people care about video games and bullcrap and boring stuff that doesn't help anybody, and whatever they do is huge. And I'm gonna be a 57,000 sub Andy for the rest of my life. I'll never Dude, like, it's over. Like, the YouTube algos, something happened. It's over, dude. I'm not going to ever grow again, no matter what price Bitcoin's at. It's done, dude. It's an over thing. I don't know what happened. I'm not doing the wrong thing. I'm persistent and consistent, dude. It's just whatever. Something changed, and I can't.
I think you're gonna grow.
That is something. Your persistence is unbelievable. Like,
That's why I live in a penthouse now, right? But God, unbelievable.
Episodes anymore. There's too many numbers.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, we were shadow banned one time and thought that having someone's like, I know a guy at YouTube, and he says if you put like episode numbers in your YouTube title, it makes it not work, and that was bull crap. It's all like, it's literally like predated medicine. Like before we learned about the science of medicine, it was like, yeah, dude, you gotta like put leeches on your arm to suck out all the bad corrupted blood, dude. That's like YouTube algorithms now. People are like, I've done a lot of medicative analysis and research, and I've come to the conclusion that yes, you must take out numbers of your YouTube title, or you must not play music for 60 seconds, or you must put leeches on your butthole to, you know, whatever. Ugh. It's all like Rudy poo. No one knows. No one's ever gonna know, dude. Leeches work.
It's all hocus pocus.
What's the longest since you started streaming that you like kind of took a break, or you know, a week that you didn't?
2 days, maybe. I think maybe a day.
It's 2 or 3 days.
Never 3. Never 3 days.
Miami was you were kind of off, you know.
I was, but it was 2 days max. Never more than 2 days. So I think that was it. That was when I was in Miami.
On the stream with them every time.
Yeah, so it was like I did 2 streams in Miami and was there for 5 days. So
it's funny because I went back to the.
We went to the gas station once.
I went back to the Miami stream,
We did.
dude, and your voice on those streams, dude. Can tell you have been drinking for a while.
yeah, man, I did not leave anything on the field in Miami. I was sick as F for 6 weeks, dude. I got back from Miami, I was sick for 6 weeks on and off. 6 weeks. I've just got over it. Like literally, like a week and a half ago, I got over it completely. So yeah, dude, Miami destroyed my life. Not really. It destroyed my life for a few weeks, and then I was good again. So
Dude, I got 2 hours of sleep and hopped on the plane back.
You what?
I got like 2 hours of sleep and hopped on the plane back.
Yeah, man.
That must have been extremely comfortable.
No, not really.
Yeah.
Jans, I agree. It's probably not going to be too hard, but someone, I don't know, I should do it. I don't really know how to, I mean, I think Julia was doing it, like downloading all my videos or something.
Offline archive?
Oh yeah, just taking all my videos, my archives of my 2,000 plus live streams and putting them on another drive in case YouTube literally like banned me one day and I never got my channel back. Just in case. It's like never gonna happen, but just in case it happened. You know, so
That's smart.
You never saw me on a YouTube search. Yeah, dude, because I'm a nobody, Charles. It's gonna happen, dude. Nobodies don't get searched for or found on YouTube ever. It's gonna happen. Okay. I try to teach charts. That's it, dude.
How's that that new 85 inch, man? I need to get myself a TV.
Really good, dude. Really, really nice. I love it, man. Yeah, dude. 85-inch TV, man.
It's almost 100. I'm just kidding.
It's almost, dude. It's almost there. Yeah, well, anything above 85 inches starts getting really like not many TVs make it beyond that. Like there's an 88 inch, but my LG is really new, but I don't think many go beyond 85.
There's a Samsung called The Wall. I think it's like 130 inches or something like that. It's insane.
130. That probably look pretty good on my wall.
Google it. It's called Samsung The Wall.
stuff.
You need
Huge.
like 60 feet depth from your couch to your TV. to
Yeah,
be
it's
like-
85's good enough.
You
Like
need
it's
to put
perfect.
it into the wall. You need to put like depth into the wall.
Yeah, you would be so hot sitting in front of that thing.
Yeah, I think 85 is probably my cutoff.
85 is fine.
120 inch. It's only 5500.
Oh, it's not actually.
It's by Dell.
Well, there's a Samsung one, no?
I feel like it's not 4K.
Is it? It's 4K. Samsung, the Terra, 75 inch. Samsung 85. Oh, there's a 98 inch Samsung. That's $13,000 though. 85 inch by Samsung. The 6300. Okay. Yeah. So I'd have to pay 13K if I wanted it, I guess. 98. Not
Oh, look,
100
I
though.
found one here. Oh,
They're
this
on
is-
sale at my local Best Buy.
There's a two. I don't know if this is real or not.
I found-
There's a
wait, never
292 inch Ultra HD 8K smart TV.
The wall?
Samsung. Yeah.
The wall.
8K is insane.
Yeah, it is. Different
It
world.
has so much like
I'm gonna-
processing power. You'd cripple one of these newer.
Jesus, how much does it cost? How much does the Samsung wall? The wall. That's what Chad. It's called the wall, like the wall on Lord of the Rings, or sorry, Game of
I'm gonna
Thrones.
send it to the chat in the stream, the link.
20K.
If I buy it,
20K?
If I buy that TV and it doesn't have the album artwork from Pink Floyd on it, I'm gonna be pretty.
See, if it's like getting into the 20K area, I would just assume like double that and or triple that and just buy a car or something. You know, I don't know, man. Like,
Oh, my TV's gonna appreciate in value, man.
Look, I just sent it
yeah,
on the chat.
TV's gonna be the same thing as a freaking car. It's gonna do the same thing. It's just a depreciating asset, you know.
Yeah, no point.
God was the S until the end, and the brothers who were the producers, directors, they rushed it because they were trying to get a bid to be in Star Wars, and they didn't even get it. It's so pathetic. Idiots, man. I mean, I'm sorry. It's just pathetic, dude. Loserdom.
I'm looking here. There's a 86-inch 4K from LG. It's 1900 Canadian.
Oh, what the? This one says it's
Well,
100 grand.
86 inches, meh. I mean, I have an 85, so no, we're talking about things bigger than 85, 86. Talking about 88, talking about 100 plus inch TVs that are all going to be 4K, 10. You know, I mean, like whatever. All the refresh rates are the same as the ones. You know, 100K. That sounds about right. I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like. You can't get TVs that are like 120 inches that have all everything that are not going to cost you an arm and a leg. It's just
There's
not worth it.
limitations to all that kind of stuff too.
TV is so crazy, man. 292 inches? That's insane, man.
It's too big. It's like no way, man. Like
the side of my
100.
damn
Yeah, dude, it's too big. When collab with Bitcoin Crypto, as if that guy would ever have anything to do with me. I'm too small time for him, dude. 57,000 sub Andy versus doesn't he have 1 million subs? Like, and gets like ridiculous views every day. Like I get like 5-6K views a stream now. I used to get like 10-15K views a stream, but not anymore, man. So it's just like I don't know, dude. Like I just gotta come to the realization I'll never go viral. No matter what happens, dude. It's just no matter like the algo's changed. I used to get 50,000. Sometimes I get like 30,000 views on a stream. I'd have to stream for like 7 hours, but I'd get them, and like that doesn't happen anymore. There's something they changed the algos where I'll never get that much exposure to their platform ever again. So
Yeah, you're not. It's because you're doing technical analysis and not making Moon Boy videos, I guess.
well, whatever it is, I'm doing it wrong. I'm certainly doing it wrong.
You're helping people, and
I
that's
hate those
YouTube's
Moon
policy.
Boy videos.
I'd like to know what he actually generates, like what kind of income these big crypto people that get way more views and than me. I'd like to know how much they make per month. That's the real metric. Like how much money do they make from what they do? You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, subs and viewers are great and all, but well, how's it monetized? That's
There's
what I want.
sponsorships, right?
Use
I don't
my
know.
referral link.
They're always pumping some kind of like
I have no idea.
trading platform or something, and like
Are
a
there
code
more-
that you can use, and like get them money.
Are
Some
they-
it's like
You have referral codes and shit.
And they also have like these shitty cheap courses that they charge you like $3,000 for. That you're just like, are you serious?
yeah. And once you get through all that bullshit, you finally find Mitch Ray.
For real, man.
I had him. He just showed up on my recommended as a regular. I was just going through every day. One day, this is episode like 280 something. And he was just on my recommended live. Clicked on it, and because I was watching some other TA guys too. Just stuck with Mitch.
Yeah.
I was watching other day traders and stuff. That seems it's too frequent for me, and it's just too much. Swing trading.
And they're
is no way.
they're too boring too. There's something about Mitch that's just. I was telling him when I met him, I was like, dude, it's just your streams are just so captivating. Like they get you engaged.
And it's
fun.
such. To me, it's almost like it's not. I'm sure it's not simple, but it's a simple idea, right? It's you're taking like gamer stream, and it's TA, but it's all TA all the time, and it's great.
And it's knowledge. Like we're learning. We're not just watching some dude kill a bunch of guys on Call of
It's
Duty.
not simple to set up and stuff like that, for sure.
Yeah, and it's cool too. It's like geared towards a younger platform, which is like something that you don't really see.
Captivate the kids.
Well, I mean, I just did it because I thought it was cool. I don't know, you know.
That's a damn good idea. Genius. Now come nobody else is doing this. You know what I mean? Like, it's one of those things. I think it's amazing.
There are people that are they're in the space that are far more successful than me when it comes to sub count and growth and all these other things.
I've never looked. I have no idea.
Is there
Yeah,
such
me
thing as,
neither.
like,
I don't
fake
like
subs?
watch other people. Like I don't like. I'll watch like in my leisure time. I'll occasionally watch like some Rust streams, but you know that's because that game's insane, and I used to play it, and I would. God knows I'd never play it again because it's like, dude,
It's a lot of hours.
psycho. Yeah, it's like.
It's insane to me.
Oh, like they invest
a lot
all
of
that
escape
time
from
and
that,
stuff, and then like you'll watch them, and then they'll go live, and then you'll tune in for a sec, and they got raided. They got offline raided, and it's like what? They just lost everything they built. Like it's just I don't want to do that. Like, but I'll watch someone do that. Like when I got other things, like they'll be on my TV up here. I'm doing other things, scanning charts, doing my taxes, doing whatever I got to do, managing other properties. Whatever, it's just there, it's peripheral. So,
Yeah, I've been on the PC gaming train a long time. I touched Rust a little bit, but I don't. It's just so many hours. I can't. There's no way.
Jose, I don't know, man, and I don't really know if I ever want to find out. Like, I just don't. I'm just into being a DJ. I just like playing copyright. There's just something about me. And I've just always liked music, and I always like playing good music, and people that are watching the stream, I just like getting them exposed to the new music that I found that I like, because I spend a lot of time during the day, like literally I'm scanning charts and stuff, but I'm also like looking for new music all the time. Like people just think, oh, what's that song called? What's that song called? Over how many times? What's that song? Like, and we always make jokes. Oh, it's the same. It's Giroud Sandstorm, right? No, it's like literally me like researching and trying to find new music like every day, like all the time. Finding new charts, finding new trade setups, finding new music. So it's just like, it's just part of the stream. It's like just, so yeah, I mean like I can't monetize if I do that. Like I can't, I have to just, it has to be nothing. Like there's no music at all.
Maybe you could do like a live set. That'd be crazy. We could all come.
A live set?
Yeah, and bring your soundboard too. Instead of join.
You have badass music, Mitch. I like your music.
Well, I'm sure like
Remixes
just
that
people
enjoy
have
all
found
your
songs
soundboard
because of it, but it's just like, I don't know. I just like can't imagine me doing something where there's just no noise, there's no music. I mean, I guess if I had to, if someone put a gun to my head and made me do it, I guess I'd have to do it, but
So
it's
something
just
about your
like-
music. It's like I feel like it reminds me a lot of the playlists or like the music they play at the tea room. That's why I think it's dope.
Boom. Yeah, man, it's deep house, a lot of it. But then it's like I'll mix it up. Sometimes it'll be southern jam band. It'll be random. It'll be different. It's eccentric. And
You have good taste in music.
And it helps people what does that do? That helps people expand their horizons. They'll be like, dang, I'm not normally into this, but this is pretty good. I trust Mitch because I've been listening and he tries to bring up good songs, and this is a new song, and you're listening to it, and you're like, dang, dude, okay. So it just expands your horizon. Well,
There's some good ones. Walk the Night.
yeah, right. That's one I played. Absolutely, that's great. I used to run to that song sometimes. Yeah,
I
man.
Shazam a lot of the songs you play. I love charting for the music. So
Stream on TikTok, dude. Stream on the Communist Chinese Party's data collecting service. Great, dude. No, I'm good. I'm gonna not do that ever.
Can't talk about crypto on there anyway.
Plus, guess what? Why would I ever in my life stream on TikTok when I know my demographic? TikTok's like 13 to 17 year olds, like majority. That's it. I got more people who are 65 plus, which is the last demographic that exists. 65 plus, way more, like double, triple the amount of people who are 65 plus that watch me than people who are 13 to 17. That is my lowest demographic of any, 13 to 17. So that's TikTok. Why would I ever get on that demographic? Stupid.
Yeah,
but none of those people have money anyway to do anything. They're using mommy daddy's money.
Right?
Huh? What?
They're not allowed to trade.
I mean, technically, no. Like, legally, no. You have to be 18 to trade. Legally. But yeah, I have more people who are 65 that watch me than 13 to 17 year olds. By far. It's not even close, dude. Chinese Communist Party people. What's up, dude? Thanks for the 2, dude. Thanks, man. I owe a chug or somehow. I don't even know. Do I? I think I owe a chug. Or maybe I did it. I don't even know anymore. I think I somehow have to go downstairs. I think I have 1 glass of wine so I can get away with not having to do a whiskey shot. Yeah. I've been live now 1 hour 30 minutes. Bitcoin below 40K again. Can't hold the door. The White Walkers are coming in, dude. The White Walkers and the Deadies or whatever. Kanye, I hear that. I heard about Kanye's doing live streaming now. Do y'all know that? You hear about that?
Oh, he did a show in Mercedes-Benz
Dude, that's
Stadium.
amazing. Did 24-hour stream?
Hiding in Atlanta or something?
Well, he did like half of his album, I guess. It was like an hour stream, I guess, but it was really fire. It was super good.
That's gonna Euros. That's gonna be meta, right? That's the way things are going. Like, you're gonna have celebs doing live streams now. Like, it's
Soulja Boy streams on Twitch.
They're realizing, nobodies are like making money. Why don't I just do it? Like, I'll just go live and thousands of people watch
Apple
me.
Music or something like that. There.
Oh, I mean, it doesn't matter. It's like there's gonna be a ton of platforms, but
no doubt.
Like I think Will Smith did it last year, right? There's something.
There were a couple concerts that were virtual as well.
Yeah, Tom Green does it. Tom Green live streams, I think, occasionally. Dude, they're just gonna do it. Andy Milonakis, you remember that guy? He does it. He's like the Twitch. He does it like he just does eating streams. He's like eating himself to death. He's like nihilistic, doesn't care about living or dying, I guess. But he just goes live. He travels and just eats. And he's morbidly obese, and he'll be dead probably in the next 10 years. But whatever, he's making money doing it. Good for him. He doesn't provide any value. He's just doing what he does. He's got notoriety because he did something on MTV 15 years ago. That's it, right? These people, they're gonna do it. They're gonna wash up and they're gonna go live.
Yep. I heard Kanye was living at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium, paying like $1 million a day or something like that, which is crazy.
Yeah, he's held up in there.
What, held up in there? What do you mean?
Yeah, he's just chilling in there. He's living in there.
He's like paying rent there. Like, he has like a whole suite to himself, and he's paying $1 million a day to like just be there.
So he can finish his album.
Oh,
There was a football game, and he came out in his fucking Crocs and a robe.
Kanye's one hell of a dude, bro.
Yeah, he's definitely different. Definitely different. All right, I guess I'm gonna go get the glass of wine to chug or something, dude. I don't know, man. I'll be right back. Join the live stream, hit the like button. I don't care. You know what? Don't even do anything. I'll be right back. Definitely don't sub. F.
Did anybody watch the Hall of Fame game today?
Hell yeah, dude.
Ready for this crazy season that's coming up. Should be fun.
I don't know if you guys have been watching the Olympics, but weightlifting wise, Lasha Tallahassee hit 3 world records for his gold medal.
What's a what?
That's crazy. When are the Olympics over? I haven't been really watching that much. So I'm not really caught up with that.
Hard to watch them.
Another week.
Say soon.
I know the United States plays France for the gold medal. I think it's tomorrow or Saturday. Not sure.
For what? What sport?
Basketball.
This is the last weekend. Sunday. It's closing ceremonies.
Oh, yeah. So is the NFL still implementing that rule of the COVID testing that if you come out positive during season, like your team really has to forfeit, like the whole team doesn't get paid? Is that really like something serious, or was that just like something they wanted to kind of do?
The whole team doesn't get paid?
Yeah, I read that.
That would not go down well with the union.
Yeah, no, 100%. That's why, like, I was reading up and they said that they were trying to implement that if, team members catch COVID and they didn't get vaccinated, that the whole team automatically has to forfeit. And if the whole team automatically forfeits, then you don't get game day checks.
There's no way the unions letting that fly.
Yeah. FLPA is pretty...
I'm interested to see what the unions do with all these
if they
mandatory.
can't reschedule it, so if they have an outbreak and have to shut down and they can't reschedule it for, they're trying, week 18 is going to be like a rescheduling day. The team with the outbreak forfeit and have a loss. They're still getting paid though. You get paid like normally in a season, you can get your entire salary over 17 weeks and then you get paid shit for the playoffs. So this year they're getting paid over whatever it is, plus the bye weeks. I think there's 2 bye weeks this year and however many regular season games.
Whatever.
Yeah. They were just debating about it. I think it was on ESPN or on Fox. Like, if your teammate doesn't take it and you don't get your game check. So that's where I kind of got the news of it.
Just threatened forfeits. No.
Yeah, but doesn't the forfeit qualify as that pretty much? That's what they were talking about.
No, I mean teams have forfeited before, and you still get paid.
All right. No, I was just asking you guys. Maybe you guys know a little bit more than me. I haven't really.
There's a memo down on it.
Probably falls under the injury clause. Like, if you get hurt and you sit out a week, it's not like you don't get paid, Somewhere.
Yeah, it's like a gray area.
Who dat, Mackie? Who
The
dat?
same thing.
I like that wine bottle thing that you had there, Mitch.
The wine stopper, dude.
Yeah, that's dope.
Yeah, man. I have an
like it.
Ethereum one too.
Where'd you get them at?
I don't know. My mom found it, and she says she gets them custom made. So.
Badass.
Yeah, they are nice, man. They're like really high quality. It's like glass SF. So. But that's what I'm saying, dude. Now I got like a point of one, dude. It's like that's more than 5 ounces of wine.
You've become a big wine guy, huh?
No, I have not become a big wine guy. No, I have not. It exists. It's here.
Whatever's in the fridge.
Yeah, like same with the sparkling champagne. That was like the last bottle I had. I'd gotten a bunch of it, and it's like whatever, dude. I don't know, man.
I tried to today. I put
What?
I cut out at a terrible
I said today I put wine in my coffee, and it actually went together like really smoothly. Red wine and coffee.
Ooh.
Red wine and coffee. Okay. Sounds interesting.
I don't know. I'm like a really, I don't, you know, like white girls like Starbucks and stuff. But me with coffee, I just like what's it called, Colombian roast and stuff like that. Stuff from Honduras, the Caribbean. Like I just like my coffee dark and like smooth, if you know what I mean.
Dark coffee though, isn't that like considered like dark coffee is like roasted, like dark roasted coffee, right? Meaning like most of the caffeine and the flavor has been burnt out, kind of.
Yeah, kind of. And I remember I got this coffee from a trip that I did to Jamaica, and I don't know. It's just I like the taste of dark coffee comparative to anything. That's
Interesting.
I like the taste of coffee.
Well, I love coffee, dude. Like it's unreal. But like, again, you want like medium lighter roasts, and then you want like just coffees or espressos.
Yeah, espressos all day.
Because that's like the least amount of time burning, and I don't know, like reading up on it, things have changed maybe since ever since I got this Mealy or whatever. Unreal, dude. It's so good. Like a Keurig, throw your Keurig out. If you drink Keurig every day, I know you do. You're watching the stream, whoever you are, and you're drinking Keurig, and you're like, but Keurig's so convenient, dude. Screw those K-Cups. Get a Mealy. Miele or whatever. They're German made. I've never had coffee this good. Nope. I wake up and I brush my teeth and like I turn this thing on and it does everything and it's so good. I can't explain it. You just have to like, hey, I trust Mitch because like I watch him and like, you know, he's not trying to screw me. I'm telling you, Keurig is trash. I did Keurig for like 7-8 years straight, and when I moved here, this was installed in the wall. This was in the wall. I'm like, oh, give it a shot, and I'm like, first cup, I'm like, don't my Keurig. I never use Keurig ever again. And I'm not. This is it, dude. It's like they're not sponsoring me. They don't even know who I am. I just love this product. It's unreal.
What's the name of the coffee, Mitch?
It's like, well, it's not a coffee. It's like I tried Irwin. I've been drinking Irwin coffee for years in a Keurig. And then I put the Irwin coffee in this Mealy, this coffee maker, and it's like a different, complete coffee. It's different. It's like unbelievable. It's like I've gone to somewhere in Italy, and they're making my coffee every morning now.
Yeah,
Yep.
I want to try that. I definitely want to try that.
Screw Keurig. I'll never want to drink Keurig again. I'll drink it, I know, because I'll be at someone's house, and they'll have one. But Mealy. It's like Miele or whatever. And if you have one, you would say the same thing. But like, I don't know how many. Anyone in here have Mealy's or whatever you say it? Right? Cheapest one, 1,300, probably. Dude, every appliance in this place that I bought is like Gaggenau. Like the top of the line, like $3,000 plus appliances, every one of them did. $1,500 to $4,300 for Mealy coffee makers. Yep, that's it. They're on yachts. Yes, it is the best you can get for sure. You have a Mealy washing machine? I didn't even know they made washing machines. What?
Sponsorship.
Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. Thanks, Stacy. I don't know. I mean, do I have an awesome reputation? I mean, my reputation is just kind of like, hey, this guy does charts, you know, whatever. He never tried to sell me anything except a Mealy. But it's not even like, again, it'd be one thing if they were paying me, but, you know, I don't. Dude, I didn't even know it existed till I moved here. Yeah. Anyway. It's only I didn't know it was that expensive though. I guess it makes sense, dude. I have a washer and dryer in one. Maybe it's a Miele. I wouldn't be surprised. I just never checked to see the make and model of my washer dryer combination. Huh. Anyone else had Miele before besides somebody? Yeah, I don't know, dude.
I've never even heard of that. I just do the normal coffee.
You were like me, dude. You were like me. I used to be a normal coffee drinker like you till I took a penthouse to the knee.
Yeah, breakthrough, Mitch.
And then life changed. Yeah, dude. I bet a Folgers would probably be pretty good in this. The thing is, though, you got to get the beans. This thing crushes the beans just before the brew. It's insane. It's like the freshest ever. It's unreal. That's right. You get what you pay for on Live Corner. Yeah, Dad. And you sometimes pay for chugs on this stream. And I'm just sitting here looking at it, and I'm like, this is way more than 5 ounces. Good tasting wine, Gabagoo. I don't know, man. Thursday night. This is a good wine, though. We got one more bottle I haven't opened yet, but dang, I don't want to like waste that one. I need to have like a stock the bar party now or something here. I can't get furniture here. Like I've been waiting 6+ weeks for furniture to come in, and just chairs, like literal just chairs, not couches, just chairs. Like
6 weeks.
Yeah, dude, 6 effing weeks. I ordered stuff. Coffee tables, they're just all on. I'm just waiting on them. Like, hey, we'll let you know.
You ordered this from China or what?
No, not China. That's the problem. Like, that's why if you don't order from China, it takes this long. If you order from China, yeah, it takes normal times. So bloated, dude. Like 2 like bar stool seats and a coffee table and a couple accent tables, literally every 6 weeks. 2 couches took me 8 months, and it took so long that I never got one of the couches. It never came in, and I had to charge back. And they tried to, the one that I had, they tried to not let me get a charge back from the set. And I'm like, I'll just literally charge back with the credit card company. This is so unprofessional. This is ridiculous. It's so pathetic. You led me on for months. You kept saying something. You had it on the front of the floor. They discontinued the product according to the manager and stuff that I had talked to recently. So they're like, yeah, we have nothing. There's nothing we can do. We have to let him have his money back. This is awful. So they botched it, man. It was traditional. I live somewhere where everything's contemporary. Putting something traditional in where I live is like, it would look so awful. Like everything here has to be like contemporary, modern. Oh, that's so bougie. That's so cool. Like you can't put something cheap here. It just looks bad. That's why there's nothing back here yet. I haven't hung anything on my walls. I haven't done anything because it's like you do something wrong here, it looks terrible. What's up, Luke M? You at work, you listen like every night, but you maybe late, but you always watch. Thanks, Luke, man, for being around, dude. Thanks for the contribution, supporting the stream, man. Yeah, dude. I know, man. People are busy. People got lives. People got things to do. And, you know, that's part of it, dude. So I understand that.
All right, Mitch, I'm taking off, buddy. I got therapy at 7 in the morning, brother. It was great talking to you, and I hope to see you soon back in Miami, man.
All right, Miguel, dude. Hit me up on Instagram anytime, dude. All right? I'll try. I mean, like, I'm talking to Scott. We might be down there. I'm trying to think about October, November. So penciled in.
That would be amazing, bro. You know, when you come here, man, I'll take care of you.
We're going to Sugar.
Sugar and anywhere else you want to go, brother. This is your home as well, man. So take care, man. It was nice speaking to you guys, and catch you guys later.
All right, be good, bro. Thanks, Miguel.
Yeah, have a good night, brother.
Peace.
Peace.
Do you have any favorite credit card products? I mean, I've been using Bank of America, but they just put me through something that was really weird. But it's all good, dude. The cashback rewards, fine. Pump it. Pump what, dude? Bitcoin's 40,093. Meh.
Been dancing around 40,000 the whole stream.
Yeah, big old nothing burger for too long. I agree. High-end furniture is like a science oven. It is, dude. Dude, it's like, oh my god. I mean, you know, that's what interior decorators are for. You can pay someone like $150 an hour. It's not too bad. Pay them, you know, they come out. You pay them $300 for a couple hours to figure out what you need. You give them your credit card. They go buy it. They get it delivered. They handle it all for you. It's pretty simple, seamless. But I haven't done that, so I need to do that. The Amish need to get with the times. Yeah, dude. Tell me about it. They need to start participating in hedonism and oh wait, no, maybe the Amish should just let themselves stay Amish and enjoy their purity before it's completely gone. Anyway.
Chase Sapphire probably. It's the best credit card to get.
Chase Sapphire, you hear that, chat?
Amex, high-end Amexes are nice too.
Go on, come on down to Amex.
Paid for concierge service. You can call up and ask for concert tickets and they'll buy them for you.
That's right. So you come on down to the Amex Theater.
Yeah, it's
sorry, I'm getting like drunk now, dude. It's like,
and you can't go.
Go on.
I didn't hear what you said.
Oh, I wasn't saying anything. I was saying like I'm not saying anything. I wanted you to continue.
No, yeah. As far as like ease of use, it depends on how much you're. Like, there's. I'll talk to you about it later. Pretty high fees, but for a business, yeah. Chase Sapphire, you do well with that.
Mitch, do you have any?
To look to getting one of the higher end.
Chase Sapphire is nice. Okay, that's actually something to think about. How many cash rewards points do I get per purchase?
Up to 3.
3? I only get 2 on Bank of America.
Yeah, you pay a small annual fee, but.
What? Why would I pay a fee to a credit card company?
It's worth it.
It's worth 1%, and I had to pay a fee. I don't know if Bank of America doesn't charge me any fees, and I get 2% back on everything. Bueller?
$550 fee if you put more than $550 on it.
So $550 a year.
Or, you'd have to do multiply by 100. You'd have to do an additional $55,000 on that card to.
I mean, over a year, I'm probably going to spend $55,000. I mean, like, duh.
Yeah.
Of course, that's going to happen. Of course. So as long as I spend $55K on the card, it's worth it. You mean?
Yeah, I'll hit you up with some different ones. That's like it's for a small business one. Those are excellent. A lot of people just use it like that. Like I have, just my LLC has it.
Okay.
Amexes are great for certain things, but you have to pay them off at any time. But like your thing with the person, I can just call and say cancel that charge, and they just deal with it.
Dude, my freaking ear. There's something wrong, dude. It's so weird. It doesn't hurt. It's just annoying. It's like womp, 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 but it's not making that noise.
Do you know like anyone that works at like a small bank, or do you have any? God, I'm trying to think of
a small bank.
Like a too small of one, but you want like a one that's
The
only
people that got the whole
maybe in
PPP
Cal or
thing.
Alabama. Okay.
Central.
You want to talk?
Yeah.
Talk to them about, because you can basically get a credit line based upon, assets. If you went and put in gold in reserve, they'd give you a credit line based upon it. Then you can use a card that technically isn't like a debit; it's a credit. And then
You can get rewards points.
you pay it off with cash. You get rewards points. It's
Like
not
like a
taxable
normal card.
transaction. It's like a normal credit card, but your collateral is crypto. Is what I ended up doing. 'Cause I've gotten the Gemini card. I got the Coinbase card. All of them. They're
That's crazy, dude.
every time you spend, it's a taxable event. And so now it's going back to the last time you traded it. It gets into some iffy stuff.
Sounds complicated. Sounds like, what would be the advantage of me switching and going through the hassle of making the transition over to this other new entity versus 2% cash back, no strings attached, no fees, nothing. It's just whatever,
BlockFi's got a credit card that gives you Bitcoin. It's like 1.5% cash back is Bitcoin.
Oh yeah. 1% back Bitcoin in Bitcoin.
1.5.
Ooh. So I just get Bitcoin and just enters my account on when I buy something. I just get Bitcoin back.
Whatever wallet. I don't have it yet. I've been on the waiting list a long time, but a lot of people are starting to get them now. There's a waiting list referral thing, so you gotta like refer to get to the front of the line and stuff.
That's annoying.
Yeah, it's pretty dumb. I've been on the waiting list. Like I've never referred anybody. I've been 250K in line for months. I haven't checked lately though. The past couple of weeks.
I did the BlockFi loan, but I was way at the top.
BlockFi. Yeah, so you notice
So before, they were like probably 3 or 4 months ago, they were going to do 3% for, I think it was 3 months, but instead now they have 1.5% for the lifetime.
Wow, I need to get on this, because why would I mean, like, I don't know, I mean, like...
It's actually pretty good. I'm a big fan of that credit card. I don't have it, but I wish I did.
Miguel's in the chat. He also has a BlockFi card. Yeah, I need to probably get this. I don't know, man. I think it sounds like good, because, I mean, I'm getting cash back, but the cash is cash. It keeps... You know what happens, right? It just sits cash. At least there's a chance what you're accumulating is gonna maybe go up in value. You know what I'm saying? Especially, it's great. Oh, I'm using my card, and crypto is doing what it's been doing for the past 2.5 months. So you're just like dollar cost averaging at a low price, and then the price, what we're looking at, it looks like altcoins are getting ready for a huge rally based on everything they've done, everything that's being implied on the charts on significant time scales is implying upside. So yeah, it's like dollar cost average. I need to buy a bunch of things. I'm just gonna buy, and while I do it, I'm acquiring cryptos. I'm acquiring
so on the
crypto.
homepage here, it's 3.5% back in Bitcoin during the first 3 months, 2% back in Bitcoin on every purchase over 50 grand of annual, and then the 1.5%, just whatever, all the time too.
Andrew, I've heard of Helium. Yeah, my brother-in-law was asking if he could set up a couple miners here, because he says the closer you are to other miners, the better it is. And there's evidently a crap little Helium miners in Birmingham Metropolitan. So I don't know, dude. I don't know. No fees. Yeah, I definitely need to look into this for show, man. Just a change. I mean, whatever. Fiat's great. I mean, I've acquired a lot of rewards I haven't even spent. And what I would do is like, oh, I get all this cashback rewards, and I just literally put it towards my next credit card bill, and it's like, that's it. It's over. You just start over with zero and just move on. It's such a who cares situation, you know. Anyway, Bitcoin, $40,142. You were so scared. I could see every single one in the chat. Literally so nervous.
Shaking in her boots.
And full of trepidation as Bitcoin fell below 40K. You were all like, oh my God, I'm so scared. And now we're already back to 40,153. What's the problem, chat? What's the issue? Only like 5 of y'all typing. Everyone else that's watching, lurking. I mean, there's only maybe 100 people watching the stream, right? Certainly, 100 people. 265, just about. 265 sending is 100. Yeah, 265 y'all just shaking in your boots on Bitcoin right now. So, whatever, dude. Don't be scared. $265 people. Hey, you know, it'd be hilarious if 265 people started typing right now. Why don't you just do it? 265 of you listening right now, like a radio. I think this is like y'all treat me like a radio. Hey, everybody, I'm listening on the radio station. This is 88.8 FM. How you doing, everybody? 589 Radio.
Sound like Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice. How's everybody doing, man? Yeah, see what happens when literally everyone that's watching types? It's pretty lit, you know? That's normally every other stream. But for some reason, when you're a higher quality stream, people just don't type. People are like gardening and working out and running and pretending to listen to their spouses. Like, that's what everyone's doing right now when they watch this stream. They listen. And they don't engage.
I listen and absorb.
Absorb, yeah. People are sponging.
I looked into this.
What's up, Isaac, man? Thanks for the 5, dude.
Variable interest rate that can change monthly. Like, there's no set interest rates. So based on
I don't know
market
about
conditions.
Yeah, the crappier the conditions, the worse your yield's gonna be. Is that what's implied here? Or maybe inverse. I don't know, your yields are terrible when prices are good. Or they'll just change it. That's even variable. Well, your rates are going to be variable based on market conditions, but the way we dictate how the variable is based on market conditions. So, like, if market conditions are really good, we're going to make your yield not good. And market conditions are bad, it's also not going to be good. Everything's variable, chat. You understand. Sweet. Wow, when Mitch bred. I was just bred. What the? Unbelievable. It's true. Hidden bullish divergence on chat lurkers. Green third eye, that's not a Fibonacci sequence. Get wrecked. But thanks for the repeating of course variables or numbers or something, dude. Alcohol is beginning to affect my central nervous system. Connect. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just reality. It's not like you ingest alcohol, it affects you, and it doesn't matter who you are. You be Stephen Hawking over here. I am drunk. I am Stephen Hawking. Like, it doesn't matter, dude. Everyone's gonna get effed up when they drink enough alcohol. Okay, so what about Ethereum Classic, dude? What? Oh my God, Ethereum Classic's literally not in the green. It's in the red. What do you care about Ethereum Classic, dude? Wake me up when it's green, like Litecoin or Thorth or Monero or Zcash. Wake me up. Yeah, dude, so my inverse person, I don't know, the other person who is really good at this world has just begun his live stream, so it's probably a good idea for me to leave for him. His name's Eric Crown. He's awesome. Check him out on his channel. Okay, shout out to him for doing the right thing and helping people over all these years. Okay, many people, and he doesn't get the recognition probably he deserves either. Okay, dude, we're like stuck in this glass case of technical analysis, you know, and
you guys both started right at the same time.
No, he had a channel with 5,000 subs before I even started Hype on Crypto, so that's not true. He was definitely around
It
before
was
me.
like January 2018.
And I don't know, man. Like he, at least he started his own channel. He's smart that way. He was really smart doing that. But I didn't even know how to stream, so you know, I don't know. I'm just saying, like, the fact that he exists in this space is such a good thing, because when you hear about like other people that are literally only pushing affiliate marketing links and scams and pump and dumps, like, and they have 1 million subs, it makes you feel really sick. You know, it doesn't make you feel good. But then you see people like him that are completely analytical and only like care about the charts and the data and the oscillators and the variables. It makes you feel better. It makes you feel like, okay, I'm not crazy here, you know, like doing this. You know, it's a form of validation, you know.
What's his name again?
Eric Crown, but it's just Crown's Crypto Cave with a K. I don't know if the cave is also K. It might be, no, cave is C. Okay. I mean, it could have been cute if, I don't know, man. Like, he could have gone either way with that, you know. But all right, C. It's the KC. So the Crown with a K, Crypto Cave with C.
Okay, I got it.
Check it out. You know what? Go raid him. Everyone in here, go that's watching, just go to his channel and say hi. You know, Mitch Ray sent you here. You know, whatever. This is his prime time, dude. This is like me. He's going live at like me at like 5 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Eastern, right? This is his bigger stream. This is just the Thursday night thing here. We're just hanging out and shooting this. So, yeah, check him out. Go raid him. Everyone in here. Crown's Crypto Cave, okay? And I'm just gonna get out of here.
He'll be on in 3 minutes. He starts in 3 minutes.
He'll be live in 3 minutes. Well, whatever. I mean, like, I'll stick around for 3 more minutes, okay? I'll do that, and then 3 minutes, I'm out of here. It's over, dude. Okay, I'm good. I've been live for 2 hours, and I was live for almost 4 hours earlier. So whatever, man.
What do you want from this
You
man?
put a long ass day in today.
It was, and then I just scanned all day before that. I was looking at many charts. I don't know, like, whatever. So it's kind of like, but that's the thing, dude. Even when you have days like that, it's like, I still love it. I love the F out of it. You can't get burnt out. It's nice though. Like, I got to spend I spent like maybe 20 minutes outside on my patio this evening. You know, just chilling, listening to the ambience of the city and just relaxing. That was nice. It's very, very. I regain energy out there. So, you know what I'm saying?
All you've accomplished now with your new place and stuff, you need to enjoy it.
Oh, working on it, dude. It's just like, oh my god, getting furniture in and dealing with people. Oh, where do I get parking? Everyone gets tickets. Like, trying to deliver, dude. It's just obnoxious getting people up here to do things. Oh my god, dude. Audio, video people, contractors. The contractors, workers, painters, furniture delivery people, interior decorators, occasionally interior decorators that are they work for the people who do my flooring. Dude, it is literally like I have been dealing with like too many people. I've never dealt with this many people in my life. I feel like, hey, do this, do that. What should I do, sir? Do this. Because I'm dealing with like a complete $100,000 renovation downstairs in another property, 2,000 square foot property downstairs, and getting ready to rent that out. And then I'm dealing with a property over in the suburbs that I still own, that I live there, but I own it outright now, and I'm renting out to them. And they're having issues with like, you know, like, of course, as soon as I move out, the dishwasher stops working. And then I'm like, I got my home warranty people that I pay a great amount of money every year, and well, we're back ordered on parts. It's gonna be like 6 weeks to get parts, and so my tenants can't use their effing dishwasher. It's literally like an unending cycle of crap that it's just, when you think it's almost done, there's just more crap. So it's my own fault, cause and effect, becoming a landlord, but I'm new, so anyway, dude. There's always S going on, exactly. Yeah, I agree.
It's prices in.
It's worth it though. It'll be worth it. I know there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and it's gonna eventually be like clockwork, and I won't have to worry about it. You know, whatever. I'm okay. Like, I'm not complaining. I'm literally just telling you, like, the changes. Someone's like, how's everything going? It's like, that's a fantastic effing question, dude. Like, really. Okay. 3 minutes, right?
Going live. I'm gonna go check them out.
All right, yeah. Everyone check out Eric Crown Scripted Creative, and then say shout out. Say I sent you. You know, say Mitch Ray sent you.
Oh, it's a big raid in there right now. Everybody's saying your name. It's great.
Excellent. That's the point of raids, right? So, you know. Anyway, he's a great guy, and enjoy his stream. And I'm sure it's gonna be. He sees the sign of strength too, and it's all about the if. Can we break 42K? We do. Major upside. Anyway, all right. I'm out of here.
It's about 1% of the value of the house. It's for maintenance costs annually.
Annual maintenance cost? Oh, I can't wait to pay taxes. I'm so excited.
1% of the value, yeah, because you pay taxes like twice.
Non-homestead taxes are literal aids. I'm so excited, dude. Okay, love y'all. I'm just gonna stop the stream. Hanging up on Discord. Thank you all for the support. Y'all make the stream, and I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, be good.
Bye, bro.
Thanks, Probes. All right, y'all be good. Much love. All right, chat. Just stopping the stream. I am hanging up. Just stopping it. It's getting unlisted too. So until next time, respect the effing TA.